Okay. Folding my laundry. Folding the laundry. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fold my laundry. I don't know who this is. Whatever, I'll just put it here. Okay, and then this is, oh God, it's so wrinkled. I guess I need to make a pile for ironing over here. And then I've got, did I give these to her or do I still wear these? I don't remember. Okay, I'll just put that there. I have a lot of piles. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Breathe. Breathe through it. Breathe. That's so cute. Oh, I don't have any, wait a minute. Where's the thing that goes on the outside of that? Oh, my pile's just, Cut.